Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video, I will show you quick look at a new Notepad app with tabs for Windows 11 and how to use it. Microsoft has officially started rolling out update to Notepad version 11.22.12.33.0 for Windows 11 to Windows Insider in the Dev channel that introduces tabs in the Notepad app. So if you are running the latest Windows 11 build in Dev channel, open the Microsoft Store and check if update is available and install it. After updating the Notepad app to version 11.22.12.33.0, you will get the anticipated tabs feature in the Notepad app for Windows 11. Tabs in Notepad app is similar to tabs available in File Explorer in Windows 11. This feature allows users to have multiple text documents open and easily accessible within the same window, similar to how tabs work in a web browser. To open the new tab in Notepad, simply click on the plus icon or use Ctrl plus N keyboard shortcut. Apart from that, you can click on the file and then select new tab from the menu. If you head over to Notepad settings page by clicking the gear icon, there is an option using which you can manage whether to open the Notepad file in the new tab, in same window or in the new window. If you select open in the new tab, then it will open the file or document in already opened new tab window. On the other hand, if you select in a new window, then file or document will be opened in a new window. So depending on your preference, you can select the option you desire. Rest of the options are available in the previous version of Notepad app. So that's all about the new Notepad app with the tabs for Windows 11. This is how tabs works in Notepad app. What is your opinion about tabs in Notepad app for Windows 11? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more similar videos.